Months ago, I looked
Hello.
Thank you. How are you? Thank
मैम आप कवर हो जा रहे हो
Mamita has to be not covered.
Wait. Come here, ma'am. Here. Yeah, ma'am. एक पिक्चर आता है.
Come, Sanya, ma'am. Arrow join.
You guys are twinning beautifully in gold. Gold and ivory.
Yes. ऐसे. Sir,
I'm loving the colors, ladies. It's such beautiful colors. Hyderabad, what do you feel about it? It's a craft-led brand. And Amrita, your views on the brand and what you're wearing, can you tell us a little more?
I just think that we're here to celebrate Divani's launch in Hyderabad, and it's a one-of-a-kind store where the craft of hand weaves and like you say, handmade embroidery is so rare these days in the times of machinery. And everything everyone wants it like chatpat, and we have Divani here, who is we have Sanya from Divani, and she's a founder, and it's a homegrown brand.
Yes,
I would say.
absolutely.
And it's absolutely phenomenal, and the work is beautiful. It's a
It's the
lovely
opulence of Zardoz that we brought to Hyderabad, and Hyderabad is a city of opulence. It's the city of Nizams, so we had to be here. And yes, thank you very much. We thank Hyderabad for welcoming us so warmly.
So I think it's going to be a beautiful store for everyone to come and have a look. I think we really, I enjoyed seeing their collection, and they have some beautiful, regular, ready to wear, as well as couture, as well as bridal. So I think there's a beautiful blend and mix of all of it.
మీకు బాగా ఏం నచ్చిందండి స్టోర్ లో?
నేను ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను
వినపడలేదా?
Dan?
What are the specials, madam? Can you, Sanya, please? What are the
So
specials?
the speciality of Diwani is, of course, the restoration of Zardozi that we do. We're reviving the craft with pure copper, silver, and gold threads. And Hyderabad will be able to see the entire collection because this is our flagship store here. The Hyderabadi Khada Dupatta is the center point for the store coming to Hyderabad. There's a beautiful variety of the Khada Dupattas that you will see here. Also, there are these stunning techniques of Zardoz that we're restoring, and those limited edition pieces will be available for people to view. Along with that, we of course have the interiors line, jisme you'll be able to see wall panels and ceilings and cushions and other things. So all in all, I think we have our entire collection coming to Hyderabad. Thank you.
Please, आप सब लोग इधर आ जाओ.
Then you take us over.
Yes, maybe.
Namaste. Well, I'm at Diwani store today, and it's an amazing store in Hyderabad, and it is beautiful and rich in heritage and extremely royal. And I love the designs, and I'm so happy they're in Hyderabad right now. Thank you for bringing, and Akshat, a dear friend of mine. There you go.
Thank you, Shri, for being here. How are you? Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Akshat, for making me wear this
No,
beautiful
it's all
sari.
Sania's design and you're carrying it so well.
Thank you.
So thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
బాబు నోట్లో పెట్టమాకండి డౌన్ చేయండి బాబు
Okay, ma'am.
Namaste.
Should I ask the questions? I'm right here. Yes. I'll ask them a question. Or you are asking a question, ma'am?
No, they are not.
No, I'll ask the question. So, Diwani opens in Hyderabad. It's a craft-led brand, and you are wearing a beautiful sari. Do you want to just tell us a little more about your love for craft and your love for fashion, and how you are promoting it also? And Diwani is in Hyderabad now.
Hi, namaste everyone, and welcome Diwali to Hyderabad, and congratulations to the team of Diwali. I just checked the collection; it's wonderful. The collection is wonderful. It's really like a visual treat for the eyes. These are not just outfits or something that we wear every day. They are just every piece is like an art. Every outfit. Most of them are inspired from Mughal era with the different types of zardoris and workmanship. And I think each piece is taking months and years together to produce the sari or a lehenga or whatever. And the sari I am wearing, it is made with precious stones. It's a beautiful sari. It took almost 8 months I wear. This is called Motishoor sari. So because it has a small embellishments like a Motishoor tattoo. And I'm sure I'm dazzling in this sari outfit. Thanks, Diwali. And I really appreciate how treasured our Indians are with this craftsmanship and this kind of embroideries. We are really blessed to have this kind of workers and karigaris in our country. And I want the world to appreciate this more and more. Yes, we are getting limited edition recently, but it should be appreciated more across the world. No one can compete with our handloom skills or embroidery skills. World cannot compete with us. And I'm so happy, and thanks to the team who got this brand to Hyderabad Diwali, and you have done a fantastic job in this Dhurandhar movie, the costumes for the team of Dhurandhar movie. And this store is like visual treat, and the interiors, the ambience, each and every piece, right from the bags to hats. It is taking us like taking us back to the Mughal era, feeling like a Mumtaz or something like that, which is very pleasant feeling. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You spoke so well. Thank you.
Thank you. Last question.